As a contractor, we're always looking for a differentiator. And so I need to demonstrate not just my proficiency so that they're comfortable with me, but also that we're going to do the project better than anyone else will. I have to be able to give them good, accurate, concise information that's better than the next guy. What I found with image to scope is you have high definition photos that are imported onto a three-dimensional representation of the roof. I can identify what portion of the roof and be able to see the damage spot. I can mark that, and I can have those markings then show on an overall master plot, and I could submit that information to an adjuster. The photos will be attached, and all of that information is verifiable, which is critical in our industry. From my point of view, being able to step into the program, have the information downloaded from requesting a Geomni report after I've flown it, input the data that's needed, and then have the report spit out for me to verify before sending it on to the adjuster was extremely valuable. On my very first one, when I did it, I spent about 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, I had a fully marked plot plan of all the hail damage on this particular roof, which was quite a few, and I had a finished report ready for me to review and adjust from there. We feel that at UDK as well as at DKI, that ExactWare has become the standard of the industry, and having the Geomni products now dovetail into that is the next logical step. We found no other product out there that has met that criteria. And there are lots of innovative companies out there that are presenting things, and we're always looking for the next one. But Geomni Property, Geomni Roof, and now Image to Scope is, for us as a contractor, is just a logical, seamless transition to help us in our daily work.